Hello everyone, I'm Andrew Hehanussa. I'm from the Level 8 Computing, Group 2, and I'm here to show you my spreadsheet data analytics. In this spreadsheet data analytics, we are asked to create and summarize the data from life register and the population of Ireland. And it's also the life register of Ireland. And here, I want to show you all that I do during the CA. So, first, there's the formatted files, which is this, and it start from the like this. I'm able to create the formatted which I can SQL it easily. This is both population number by sex, province, or county, and census year on every state, and I'm able to create this on 3 columns, which is county, year, and population. There's the Leinster, Carlow, and all the states, and then years for every county on every census years, and also the population. This is for the population reformatted, and there's also my life register. Not this one. This is the reformat. I'll show you the format first. It's on both sexes, all classes, and here is the not the formatted, and I'm reformatting it this year, category, and life register. Actually, I want to show you all my SQL queries directly from the SQL so that I can show you that I really get the data directly when I trying to reformat it and trying to summarize all so that I can make it into charts. But for now, since in this Mac, it seems that I don't know how can I run my SQL, not like in the computer in the uni. So I do my SQL. I'll show you my SQL directly from the Word, and I will show you the screenshot and my file of my CA later. So this is already formatted. This is the life register, and like the life register have the 3 columns, which is year, the category, and the life register directly, so I can get all the data just between these time spans. And this one is the population reformatted. From this population and life register data, the table, I easily get the the data that I want directly easily by using the SQL. There's one using SQL, and there's also since I sort it out, I can directly take what the data that is on my mind. So I'll show you first on my population data. Or if I can full screen view, enter full screen please. So this is my population of Ireland. For this, for the total population of Ireland for each census years, I use the Excel formula, which is sum. So I take on the years 1841, I do the queries first, which is select county, year, county, and population from population where year equal to 1841, and so for the others. When I use this on my SQL, it shows all the different counties and also the population in the year 1841. By using that, I copied it to my draft file, and directly I sum it. using the equal sum, and I directly, since I got it directly from all 1841 from all different states, I can just directly drag it all the data, and finally I got this 128576 on the 1841. And I keep on doing this by just changing the year and then sum it directly to get the data, and I compile it all and I create this, the year and the population from 1841 on every census years until 2011. Therefore, I can create a chart that shows the population of Ireland, which is like this. And it's shown that in Ireland, there's a mix between falling and rising. Since it's first from the 1841, it falls until the year of 1961, and this is the turning point where finally from 1961 the population of Ireland starts to rise again. And then there is the county with the highest population of each year, which is Leinster. Leinster is proven to have a lot of population. And I got this by using the max query. The max queries, I can directly get it by using the SQL. I use the select county and population from population where year equal to 1841, and we should use this one as the max, so that we get the max population from the county, and I finally get which county have the max population at that time. And apparently Leinster keep on having the biggest population on every census years. Since I'm not born here and I'm not really aware of Ireland yet, I don't know why is it, but since I check it all from 1841 until 2011, I keep on doing this. It seems that Leinster keeps on having the highest population. So this is the graph of Leinster, the county with the highest population for each of the census. The graph is like this. It falls as also why the total population also falls. Then it rises even higher than its usual, than its first checked population on 1841. Then there's this county which I choose, which is the Louth population graph, since we live in Louth. So I create all this using the Louth, using the county Louth. Here 1841 to 2011 with the population this. Here I can just directly get it from my SQL queries by doing, where's my word? Select count year and county and year population from population where, since I want to find the county which is Louth, I just choose county equal to Louth. Then I finally get all the data here, which I can just directly copy and paste. I don't need to sort it again, and I create the table. And then there's the summaries of the maximum population, which is 12 185716 841 in the year 1841. And then there's also the island of minimum population, which is 558954, which is in 1961. And then there's the average population of 721 7,216 and 82 people if you round it. I average. So by looking at the graph, probably the population prediction in the year 2020, since it keeps on rising, and the probably rise is around 7,000 for every 5 years, every 4 years and 5 years. So if I probably check, it's probably rises around 14,000 since 7 for 2011 until 2020 probably take 9 years. So for if every for 4 years there's 7,000, so probably this round rise of 14,000 for 9 years. So I just add 900 this data, so I can directly get this. It's around 100, not around 5,000, 5,000, 5,000 lives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. Or 0. Alright. Okay. 5,500 lives. And this is for my population. Alright, and so this is all the summaries that I did for my population file. And let's change to the life register. This is the reformatted, and I'm able to summarize it like this. Question for population test. So this is what I got from my life register alteration. For my life register summaries. In this, the life register, I can directly take for the total data for each 6-month period for which there's a data, the total number of people in life register, since there's the all durations category, so I can just directly take in the SQL, I can just directly write select your life register from life register where the category equal to all operations. There, I can finally get all this data directly, so I can just copy, paste, and this is the graph of the total population on the life register for each 6-month period for which there is a data. And I summarize all the data here, which is shown on the bottom, which is the maximum, the minimum, and also the average of life register. There's this, where is the maximum life register, but it seems I got it wrong, so I change it into max. Okay, and this is the minimum life register. It's the average, and I keep on doing the same, but this one for every categories. So I use the same queries with different categories. For this one, I take the under 3 months. I write under 3 months, and this I also do the max, I do the min, I do the average life register easily, directly, and I create the chart. And I keep on doing it for every category so that every categories are presented well and summarized well. And why? And on this chart, I use on this data, which is the life register, I use the line, while to show easier how it differs on every year. See, from 3 years and over, and then there's all from under 1 year, and there's also 1 year and over. And this is the long-term unemployed table, the long-term unemployed chart. So this is all, the long-term unemployed table is all the unemployed for 1 year and over. So I can create this chart by taking the total data for